Made of heat-resistant silicone. Go ahead and spread oil and butter in sizzling pans or marinate meat on the grill. Our bristles won't melt or warp. Stainless steel handle. The sturdy handle will never melt or crack, like lower quality brushes with plastic handles. Use it in high heat areas without worry. 12-inch stainless steel handle. Baste food on the grill without burning your hand. Won't shed. Our secure silicone bristles won't fall out like a conventional pastry brush. No more picking hairs out of your food. Easy to clean. No scrubbing required. Our brush cleans up easily with soap and water or in the dishwasher. Doesn't hang onto odors or bacteria. Brush and baste like a pro. The 85 bristles mop up a generous amount of liquid. Brush delicate pastry, baste meats, and butter rolls with ease. Heat-resistant silicone bristles can withstand temperatures of up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't expose to an open flame. BPA-free, food grade.